Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to use Gemini. So let's start to open your Gemini. So here you can see I already log in Google Chrome and this is my Pro version. You can see the right hand side here the Pro is mentioned. Okay, so let's see how it's used. And here you can see the Gemini interface is very simple. You can create photo, you can create the professional headshot and others thing. In bottom side have a text box. You just enter your prompt and ask to Gemini anything. With this here one option available add file. Just click on it and you can upload the files, add from drive and import code. And the second option is tools. Just click on the tools and here have a deep research, create video with Vivo, create images, Canva and guided learning. Select as per your requirement. If you want to create images, create images. Select the option create images. Okay. And just click on the try now. That's it. Upload your images and enter your prompt and you will get as per your requirement. Okay. So that's it. See in left side bar have some option. The first is new chart. If you want to open new chart, just click on this option and you will use the new chart. Okay, you can use here the shortcut key Control Shift plus O to open the new chart. And the second is the gems, the storybooks and explore the gems. When you click on the storybook and here you can see in this interface you can create your storybook. And you can see storybook, you can create a customized picture book for either children or adults given a topic and optional target audience age and optional art style for the images. You can see there are some draft prompt here showing related to create the storybook. You just enter here as per this and you can create your storybook quickly with the Gemini. Okay. Then here the second option, the explore gems, just click on it and here you can see the gems manager here showing. Pre-made by Google, storybook, chess jam, women's world club and click on the show more and you can see here the all pre-made by Google. My gems, you can create your new gems also here. After that you can see in left sidebar have a recent option. So these are prompt you just recently used with the Gemini. Okay. So you just keep cursor and click on this three dot. If you want to delete, you can delete it. You can rename this and you can pin the first your prompt. Okay. And if you want to share this, you can share to any other person also. Okay. And the last option here, the settings and help. In settings and help, you can see the first option is activity. When you click on the activity, you can see the all activity. Here you can see in Gemini apps activity. Here you can keep your activity and if you don't want, just click on this arrow and you can just turn off your activities. When you drag the below, you can see your the all activity with the Gemini. If you want to delete, just click on this cross sign and it will delete. Okay. If you want to delete all items, just click on this drop down arrow and select the all time activities and here you see deleting now. All of your selected activity will be deleted permanently. For example, all this. Okay. Just click on the delete and you will delete all your Gemini activity. Okay. And then next, now I just again click on settings and help and click on the save info. And here you can see your save info. Info you asked Gemini to save. Share info about your life and preferences to get more helpful response. Add new info here or ask Gemini to remember something during a chat. If you don't want, just click on this option and it will off. Then from now, the Gemini will not save your info. Okay. So I just go back and click on the settings and help again and click on the third option apps. So you can see bring it all together with Gemini and your favorite apps. Here you can see when I drag it, you can see the all apps, Google Work space and travel related, media related. If you want to turn on, just click on this option. You can turn on. If you don't want, just click on this off option. Okay. After that, I just click on again this sidebar and click on the settings and help and click on here schedule action. You can schedule your action in Gemini. Okay, again I click on the settings and help your public links. Okay, in your public links you can share the chats or individual prompt and response. Once you do, you can manage the public links that you have created and see their details here. Okay, so you can easily share the charts here to any other person and you can check your all public links here. Okay, again I click on the settings and help and one option here theme. Okay, you can change the system theme light and dark. So I just click on the dark theme and here you see your Gemini in dark theme. Again I click on the light and here the light theme is applied. The next is a manage subscription. I just click on here. In manage subscription you can see Google One setting, manage email preference, news and future updates on, benefit and updates on, and research and survey also on. If you don't want, just off this. Manage family settings, share Google One with the family. You just click on it and click on the manage option and you can share your Google One with your family also. And the third option, change payment method. Okay, you just click on manage and you can change your payment method also. Okay, then change membership plans. Okay, you can see here the different membership plan is available. Current plans here, the Google AI Pro, and you can change. If you want to change, you can just upgrade your plan those you want. Okay, I just click on here and cancel membership. If you want to cancel your membership, just click on the cancel options and the membership will cancel. Okay. And next, again, I click on the settings and help have a one option upgrade to Google AI Ultra. I just click on it and here you can upgrade your Google AI in one membership. Okay, for AI Ultra. Okay, just click on it and you will get all this feature of available in this plan. Okay, I just go back and click on the settings and help again and the see send feedback. If you want to send the feedback to Gemini, you can send your feedback. And if you want to get help, just click on the help option and click on the help center and just enter your query here and you will get help. And in Gemini, you can use the temporary chart also. Just go to the left side bar in new chart. You can see here the one icon showing the temporary chart. Just click on it and you can just enter your chart. And this history will not save for long time. It will save for only 72 hours. Okay. So this is just so helpful to only for temporary chart. Okay. So now here I just upload one photo. I just click on this tool, add file and click on the upload files. Okay. And I select here the one cat pictures and just I add here the one prompt. Okay. Add this cat photo in frame with pink flower. Okay. So let's see, I just enter and wait for the few seconds. The Gemini is created the cat photo in frame with the pink flowers. Wait for the few seconds. It's generating image and here you go. Your cat photo is ready in frame with the pink flowers. See the difference. See the how it's Gemini give you photo with the clarity. When you click on it, you can see the clarity of this photo. I just zoom in, see the clarity. So that's it. This is the way you can use the Gemini features. Okay, if you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.